Hi there, welcome to Lesson 3. I'm your lecturer Elaine from CVlounge. Today we're going to look at creating an email signature using Microsoft Outlook. First, we need an image to add on our email signature. So, let us create one using Photoshop. The image does not have a set size, but we want it not to be big. So, File, New. Let us use the size given in the textbook. Like that. Now, import your logo and your content you want to display. Open. We go to the logo. Logo will be big, so let's resize it smaller. Like that. And let's add our content as well. So it's going to be your name, contact details, your email, and your website. Like that. Just move it or make the font a bit bigger. Like that. And you can also add some graphics. Like that. You can also add kind regards at the top. So let's do that with the same font and the same size. Like that. After you are happy with the image, save it as a normal JPEG or PNG image. Just check the size here to see if it's not too big and press OK. Now open Microsoft Outlook. Go to File, Options, Mail, Signatures. And give your signature a name. Press OK. And select your email address you want to use it for. You can also change the settings so that the signature only display on every new email and on every email forward. Add your signature image in the body text. can write text as well, such as kind regards, if you did not add it in your image. Press OK, and then you can start using it. Test it by creating a new email. I hope you enjoyed it. Visit the Lounge area for discussions, and see you on the next lesson.